to sleep?
Yeah.
You awake?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You happy, Mom? I'm excited.
Oh my god, guys, we're actually in the cruise right now. I'm so surprised I'm in the cruise. I'm in the cruise right now. I'm so surprised.
I'm sleeping in that bed. He's sleeping in that bed. Mom is sleeping in that bed. And that's a little seat. Now let's see. I don't know what this is. I haven't checked this out. Oh. So this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Yeah. See?
The bathroom. Where's life jackets?
Life jackets just in case.
In case the Titanic happens again.
God forbid. This is a closet, right? Yes. What is that? Two separate closets? Is that a nevera? Oh.
Each is one is closet. Whose closet is this one?
No, there's only two closets. Alright.
No, these are still.
That's something else. Yeah. That's our room. Oh, this is the mirror.
Nice mirror, boy.
Let's see these.
Ooh, look at this. This is really good.
And this is for towels or blankets. I don't know what
No,
that is.
that. It's for this.
Oh, is that? Oh, is that? And then here,
We have some drawers.
I don't think it's
Ooh.
laundry bags, blower,
Let me see this one.
nothing there.
And then nothing. I bet there's nothing. Nothing.
Yeah. So that's
Wait, we have one more thing we haven't checked.
what?
This. Let's see what's in here. Nothing here, but we have a little drawer there.
Oh my god.
Tornado.
Sounds Dominican.
¿Tú no tienes miedo? ¿Tú vas a dormir esta noche? ¿Tú estás segura que tú vas a dormir?
Yes, I think you can feel the boat leave.
Yo te dije que él se estaba moviendo y tú me dijiste que no. Yo te lo dije. Ahí viene el negrito, nada más lo oigo por la bocaza, mírenlo ahí. Ahí bajo. El negrito mío que está allá arriba, que se va a tirar por ahí. Y aquí está la señora.
But you know, can you get me another one? That's what I was gonna ask. I want to give both couples of 51 years.
We're in Key West. Excited? You tired? You're bored? You don't like this place?
No.
Ania looks so mad. La, you having fun?
Yes.
Very, very, very fun.
Yes.
Eso es un merenda. You don't think so? You sure then? They're just statues?
Dame una galleta.
Oh my god. So right now I'm recording in the bathroom because the bathroom is the only place with a good lighting. But today we didn't do much. Like early in the morning we went to Key West because honestly we didn't know where to go. We bought some shirts and we went to the beach, but only for a few because it was like a small beach and it didn't feel nice, so we just didn't go there. But then I got this free bracelet. It was a coupon that the cruise gave us for Diamonds International. And then after we like did all that and we took our pictures, we came back to the boat and then we went to the pool. So we just stayed there ever since like 12 and now it's like 4 p.m. I got like really tanned, like, do you see that? Yeah, so right now it's 4 o'clock. I'm gonna just take a nap because I've been taking naps in the sun and I don't want to get burnt, like sunburnt. Like I don't mind getting color, but I don't want to be sunburnt. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then after, I think we're gonna go to a show that they're doing, and then we're gonna go get dinner, and then we're gonna find something else to do. But yeah, and then tomorrow we're going to Mexico, so there we will be doing something. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for now. Yeah. Oh, so we had what is it called again? What is it called? Room cleaning, right? And they left us a little towel monkey. I'm gonna just turn, like, do you see that? I said monkey. Wow. I mean elephant. It was a elephant. I'm thinking about monkeys. But yeah, Junior's not with me right now. He's in the pool. He doesn't get out. Actually, he's not even in the pool. He's on the water slide. There's a water slide on the cruise, and he just doesn't get out of the water slide. He goes up and up and up and up. Yeah. So that's pretty much just the update for now. So see you guys when I start recording again. Oh no, it's only people who work here.
El tequila vamos a parar en una tequilera.
Oh, ok.
Ahí les van a dar una explicación. Posteriormente van a probar como 7 u 8 diferentes tipos de sabores, perdón. Sabores
Yeah,
de
all
tequila.
about it. Come back.
No creo.
Como ustedes se darán cuenta, hay muchas motos acá. Esto se debe a que el galón de gasolina cuesta $5.
What?
Y pues la verdad es mucho dinero para nosotros toda vez que nos...
Esta es Ávila. Es más gruesa y es un gel. No lo podemos fermentar para el tequila. Este es agave azul y es una fibra. No necesitamos las hojas ni la raíz. Solo necesitamos un centro que va a crecer en medio. Pero la planta tiene que crecer entre 10 y 12 años. Y eso no va a suceder aquí. Eso no va a suceder aquí porque la tierra no sirve para el tequila. Eso va a suceder en Jalisco. Esa es la razón por la cual Jalisco es la tierra del tequila. Son 22 familias, 500 acres, supervisados por la Junta Mexicana del Tequila. El blanco, así se llama el tequila. Cuando las marcas comerciales empiezan a producir en masa, lo primero que tienen que hacer es diluir la producción. Ahí pierden el nombre blanco. Por eso lo siento agave azul, 38%, cuando los comerciales son 40%. No solo hecho en México, necesitamos más información atrás. Elaborado y envasado de origen. Viene el nombre de la destilería. Amatitán, Jalisco, México, uno de los pueblos, de los 9 pueblos que producen tequila artesanal. Ahora, ¿cómo reconocerlo? Hay una marca en Estados Unidos que ahorita le está llamando blanco. Vamos a ver si está buena. Como dicen, no se puede exportar ni a los Estados Unidos, que se meten en todo. No se puede.
Espérate, para la foto nada más.
Para la foto. No se lo tomen todavía. Después lo tomamos. Lo movemos. Cuando baja, inhalamos. Exhalamos.
Lo mismo. Yo vi un cepillo allí adelante.
Y ahora yo vi uno.
You know what's different about the art and
Mira una motoneta, le dicen a eso. A eso.
Eso andan en la calle vendiendo fruta.